Imagine yourself in this Hyundai 2017 Elantra SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are carpeted floor mats, cargo net, reversible cargo tray, gray premium cloth seat trim, SE automatic transmission, popular equipment package 07 included, option group 07 SE badge, delete rear view camera with dynamic guidelines, heated outside mirrors, radio, AM FM HD Sirius XM display, audio, 7-inch screen, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wheels, 16-inch alloy auto headlamp, control tires, P205/55R16 hood insulator, shale gray metallic, front-wheel drive, power steering and ABS. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.